Whether you need to save up for an imminent capital project or you are planning your retirement, it doesn't hurt to get help. Navigating your financial future can be a maze, right? But don't worry, you're not alone. The world of finance is a complex one, filled with intricate strategies and decisions. Enter the financial advisor, your guide to the labyrinth of financial planning. So, who exactly is a financial advisor? This professional is your personal finance guide, managing everything from investments, taxes, to retirement planning. They're equipped to understand your financial goals and steer you towards achieving them. In essence, they are the navigators of your financial journey. Just as there are different routes to a destination, there are different types of financial advisors. From certified financial planners who create comprehensive financial plans, investment advisors who focus on growing your wealth, to retirement advisors who help secure your golden years. Choosing the right type of advisor depends on your financial goals. You may wonder, why do I need a financial advisor? Well, financial planning is a vital part of life that helps you achieve your financial goals. Financial advisors offer personalized advice, manage risks, and save you precious time. They help you understand complex financial concepts and products, and guide you through the maze of taxes, retirement, and estate planning. They keep you on track, avoiding costly mistakes. No wonder they're so critical to both your present and future financial health. They are like your personal finance coach, helping you make the best moves. And it's not just individuals who can benefit from financial advisors. Indeed, small and large businesses alike can harness the expertise of these financial mavens. From crafting strategic business plans to formulating investment strategies, financial advisors play an integral role. They also help in managing risk, a crucial aspect in today's volatile business landscape. So whether you're an individual, a small business owner, or a big company, a financial advisor can be your key to a secure financial future.